Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can save your reel drafts to your gallery on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, this is a relatively simple process. All you have to do is actually just access your drafts, find the draft that you want, and then you'll have the option to download it through the draft editor or the reel editor once you enter it to edit your drafts. Now, what you need to do, of course, is just go to your profile, or you can just go and create a reel and go to your gallery, and from there you can select drafts. But this is the more simple option. Just go to your reel view, just like this, and tap on drafts, and then select the draft that you want. So, for example, let's say this one. Then you can click on edit in the top right, and it'll open up the editor. Then I'm just going to lower all of this, and as you can see, we have this sort of toolbar at the bottom of the screen which you can access, and scroll all the way to the right, and as you can see, the furthermost right icon is the download icon. So all you need to do is just tap that. As you can see, you can save it as a draft again, or you can save it to your camera roll. So I'm just going to click save to camera roll. As you can see, it's processing for a bit, and now that video has been saved. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Of course, you can always just post the draft and then download the reel yourself through just a reel post, and then you can take it down if you wish, or you can screen record it if this option isn't working for you. But all in all, pretty much all you have to do is just locate this button and you're pretty much set. Download it from here and it'll be in your camera roll after it processes. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.